Hi, my name's Jackson. I'm here with MXL microphones. We're at ISE 2020, and I want to show you our new AC-44 microphone. So before I talk about the AC-44, I want to introduce the MXL AC-404. The AC-404 is one of the most widely used USB microphones on the planet. It's used for web conferencing, for telecommuting. Anytime you want crystal clear audio, plug and play USB microphone, that's the AC-404. It's been around for about 12 or 15 years. It's been around a very long time. And we're updating it now with the AC-44. This is this small guy here. So in the last decade or so, a lot of technology has changed, and we're making a lot of modern circuitry and electrical design into this new product. So it's virtually the same functionality and performance of the AC-404, but in half the size. So the new AC-44, from the back here, we can see USB-C and an analog auxiliary out. So this is great for any custom installations, legacy systems. That analog allows you to get into additional recording mediums. Really opens it up to a ton more applications for this very small microphone. So inside of this mic, you've got 3 capsules in a small pyramid fashion, which allows 180-degree pickup, covering up to 6 meters out. So one small microphone and a ton of performance. And again, that's just USB-C, plug and play. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to go. This will be available in about a month. It'll retail for $199 list. It'll be available worldwide, and that's the new MXL AC-44 microphone. For more information on this mic and more, visit us online at uc.mxlmics.com.